Hello guys, welcome to your own channel. I hope you are well. How to fix iPhone touch screen is not working. Yes guys, maybe sometime you are facing this type of issue whenever you will try to swipe left, right and it is not working. So today guys I will show you how you can fix. You will see guys, right now I try to, sometime it is working and sometime it is not working. So I will show you how you can fix this type of issues, like if it is not working in your iPhone, so how you can fix from your at home. Yes guys, I will show you very simple tutorial in this video so that you could easily fix this problem. And yes guys, which method today I will show you, you can apply on your any iPhone. If you have iPhone 5s, 6, 7, 8, 10, 10r, 13, 12, 14, any model device you can apply. You will see it is not working. So how you can fix, let's start on your main topic. Guys, today we will fix this problem with the helping of this software, that is Tenorshare Reiboot software, link in the description below. But let me explain like how many and which type of problems in your iPhone you can fix easily with this software. So guys, you can fix almost 150 problems in your iPhone, like if your iPhone has been stuck on Apple logo, screen is not working, recovery mode loop, and you can easily exit recovery mode and enter also, and you can reset iPad, iPod touch without iTunes and Finder. And as well guys, you can downgrade your iPhone version. If you are right now using iOS 16, you can easily guys downgrade your iPhone on the iOS 15 or with the helping of this software without any jailbreak. Okay, so you can repair also guys, you can repair iPhone iTunes error like 4013 and 4005 with this simple clicks. As well guys, this software will be supportable for all model devices like iPhone, and as well guys, you can see supported all iOS versions and devices including the latest iOS 16. Okay, so you have to guys use this software for fixing this problem, like if your iPhone is not working and if your iPhone screen is not working. So today I will guide you full tutorial guys. You have to watch this video till the very end and link in the description. But guys, firstly you have to follow whatever I will show you and how you have to use this software. Okay, so you can see guys, today I will show you that how you can fix if your iPhone touch screen is not working, like stuck and touch is frozen. So how you can fix. Okay, so you have to guys also check this offer right now currently running on, like off 70%. You will see Black Friday. Okay, so you have to also guys visit on there and you can get $50 Amazon gift card, and guys you can win lot of prizes here. Okay, so scroll down and I will show you how you can take participate in this Black Friday offer. Okay, so you have to scroll down and you can win guys. There are a lot of offers are running on this. So now I will scroll down and I will tell you that how you can take participate in this. Okay, so this is a guys official. Okay, so simply I will scroll down and you can see like lucky draw up to 70% off, buy one get one free. But don't worry guys, you will see, scroll down and you have to guys take participate like here. So you have to click on this draw a ticket, tap on here. I have clicked this and so you will see finally guys. Alright guys, I have won this. Like I have to submit my email address, then guys I have to enter my email and click on the simply submit button. So you can also guys take participate on this Black Friday sale. Okay, so now I will show you how you have to use. Firstly I will download, so click on this free download and tap on here. Now this is started download and I will download and I will install it. Okay, so now click on install button and this is very easy guys to use. So I will launch this, and now guys you have to connect your iPhone with the lightning cable to your laptop and PC. So let me connect my iPhone to my laptop. So I have to click this start. So now here you can get lot of like system has available, like you can fix many types of problem, like your iPhone has been stuck and if your touch screen is not working. So here all 150 problems that you can fix with this software, like your iPhone touch screen is not working, iPod touch screen is not working, iPhone sound is not working. As well guys, sometimes we face problem while update our iPhone and our iPhone stuck on preparing update. So you can also guys fix that problem with this software. So you have to simply click on this fix now, because we are going to fix like iPhone touch is not working. So you will see this is a standard mode, and that is and second one is guys deep repair. So guys, if your problem is not working and if your problem is not fixing with the standard mode, then guys you can apply the second method, that is deep repair. But guys, in this process your data will be lost. So today guys, firstly we will use standard repair. So tap on the standard repair. Okay, so now guys you have to put your device into the recovery mode. So I will guys put my device, right now I'm using iPhone 6, that's why guys I will press and hold down volume and home button together, and just for 5 seconds you will see my iPhone has been now into the recovery mode. So I will show you further process. So now after doing this, you have to click on this download. So you will see my iPhone is 6 only and software version is 12.5.6, maybe 5.5. so here you have to guys download your firmware file. Like I am using iPhone 6, so I have iOS 12.5.5. but guys, if you have already firmware file, so you have to select that. Okay, so I have already firmware file, I have already downloaded. But firstly you need to download a firmware file in your iPhone which is perfect and suitable for your iPhone. Okay, simply tap on here, compatible, tap on here. You will see it is showing like you are using free license, so free version. So I have guys, you need to buy a license because I have already a license key, so I will register, but you need to firstly guys buy. So I will click on the buy. Now you will see there are a lot of offers and has available here. You can buy 1 month license, 1 year license, as well guys you can buy lifetime license. Okay, so in the 1 month license you have to guys see you can manage 1 PC and 5 devices, auto renewal, and second is 1 year license. You can also buy this according to your priority. You can manage lot of devices, and there is last one is lifetime license. You can also buy this. Okay, so all offers has been available on the official link in the description below. Okay, so you have to buy anyone according to your priority. So right now I have license key, I have already bought, so I will enter my license key here. So I will click on registered, but firstly you need to buy. Okay guys, so now registration is successful. Now I am ready to use. Okay, so now I have to, you will see my process has been started. Now you have to wait until this 100%. Okay, you have to wait until when it will complete up to the 100%. so after 100% guys, your device will be restart, and you have to see guys, now my device will be restart, and you will see guys my touch screen is 101% working now. So guys, this is a single method, link in the description below, and right now I can use my iPhone without any problem. And so you will see guys, I will unlock my iPhone. So now guys, I'm going to show you from where you have to buy this software to your PC and laptop. Okay, so guys, link in the description below. Now let me show you that from where you have to download. Okay, so guys, this is the exactly interface, and you have to visit link in the description. Okay, so scroll down and you will see buy now, click on this one, and you can easily download it in your laptop and PC, and you have to buy, and you can fix almost 150 problems.